All right, so let's move ahead with the EVE-NG installation of Palo Alto. So first I will go to EVE-NG website. So on the EVE-NG, I will go to the documentation, and in the documentation, I will go to how to create the images. And again, I will scroll down to Palo Alto. That should be Palo Alto over here. And these are the different images which are supported by the EVE-NG. So since we are using 10.1.0, that should be all good. So for first, what we have to do is that we have to take a partition to your EVE-NG. So this is my SSH connection to the EVE-NG. And after that, you will copy this command. Since we are using 10.1.0, so I will say that file name as 10.1.0. Enter. So once you enter that one, your directory has been created. Next thing is that we have to transfer the Palo Alto file to that particular server. So previously I was using the GNS3. I will close that off, and I will again open my FileZilla. This time I will connect it to my EVE-NG. Again, your IP address, username will be root, and password whatever you have given. Port number will be 22. Click on Quick Connect. Click on the dots and go to the opt. Go to the unit lab, go to the add-ons, go to the KMO, and if you scroll down, you will see the folder which we have created, Palo Alto 10 point. So there is no file over here, so you will transfer the Palo Alto file. So once you transfer the Palo Alto file, you can just rename that file. Okay, so currently I have already done it. So if you see Palo Alto 10, so inside that file there was a different name, so I have just done a right click and rename, and I have renamed to this file, that is virtua.qcov. Now you can, if you have done something wrong, you can just do a right click and delete the directory itself. It's up to you. But once you have transferred the file and you have renamed this file, this is very important. Always select the last command, that is fix permission. Always do that one. So always you have to, once you have finished with your renaming things of the file, then you can go ahead and fix up the permissions, and after that you will access your EVE-NG now. So create a new file. We will say Palo Alto and do a right click, and if you scroll down to Palo Alto, or you can just write Palo Alto, yep. And now again, you see that it is using the 4096. I will say 6144. It is using 2 CPUs. It's up to you if you want to give one, and 25 ports, because by default the software detects 4. And the name I will give as Palo Alto 1. And it is by default VNC. If you like, you can go with Telnet also. So I will click on save. So create your topology. If you are in a community, if you are in a professional, then you can just turn on. So once you have done it, so you will click on that one and you should have your telnet session to Palo Alto. So again, it will now take another 10 minutes to boot up. So that should be all good. So this was the installation of ENG. I hope this was informative for you, and thank you.